If you're experiencing issues with voice chat on your Steam Deck, calibrating the settings can help resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your voice chat works properly. Step 1. Access settings. Open the Steam Deck and navigate to the main menu. From there, select the settings option to access the device's configuration menu. Step 2. Go to audio settings. In the settings menu, scroll down and find the audio section. Click on it to open the audio settings where you can adjust input and output options. Step 3. Adjust microphone input. Within the audio settings, locate the microphone input settings. Ensure that the correct microphone is selected and adjust the input volume to a suitable level for voice chat. Step 4. Test voice chat. After adjusting the microphone settings, launch a voice chat application or game that supports voice communication. Test the voice chat feature to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Update software. If voice chat is still not functioning, check for any software updates for your Steam Deck. Go back to the settings menu and select System, then look for the option to check for updates and install any available updates. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your voice chat settings on the Steam Deck effectively. If issues persist, consider seeking further support from the Steam community or customer service.